Cinderella.
One day, there is a beautiful girl like Cinderella. She talked with her friends at school.
I wanna fall in love with someone cool.
You are the type who can do it.
Yeah, I think so too. You can get some sweet guy for sure.
Oh my god, he's just the right guy to be my prince. I have to get him no matter what happens to me.
Oh yes, you're a perfect couple.
Really? Well then, I'll do my best. Saki and Saori, you'll help me with this, won't you? I have to do this right.
Oh, of course I will. I'm absolutely here to help you.
If it doesn't work, what will you do then?
So, what's the first step? What do you want us to do?
We'll do whatever we can do, so just ask.
Are you sure? Then...
They worked out strategy to interrupt the prince.
Is the prince coming?
Did you see him?
Oh, he's here. Okay.
Buy our lunch.
No.
Huh? Fail.
Forget it.
Don't let yourself get carried away.
It'll offend you.
In this way, Cinderella acted out the lie that she was bullied and shouted off to the prince. Then,
Are you okay? You drop your handkerchief.
Thanks. To tell you the truth, I get worried sometimes.
Really? You poor little thing. Please let me know what I can do for you.
Thank you. You are the only person I can rely on.
How did your strategy work? Did you succeed?
It was a great success. Thank you, Saki and Saori.
oh, no problem at all.
That guy was easier than I expected.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
I can't trust you. Goodbye.
I failed because of you. You have to take the blame.
Huh? It was you who came up with this strategy.
We aren't to blame.